Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub shift oil seal. This is a TA oil seal, and this oil seal made of rubber and metal. There is rubber, there is metal. It also have with spring. This is spring. It made of rubber and metal. This size is internal diameter is 110, external diameter is 154, and this thing is 15. Look there is size. TA oil seal. It also has many following features, such as organizes the absolute temperature with longest service life, and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mass-proof water, tinking spring, and tinking skeleton. This is spring, tinking spring, and tinking skeleton. It's for heavy truck parts. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We can give you a best service. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.